this definition with no chemical product. And I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. Hey y'all, welcome back. My name is Azay, and today I'm showing you my updated braid out routine for maximum hair growth and length retention. It's super simple, allows my braid out to be extra defined, and for my scalp to be nourished so my hair can grow long, healthy, and strong. I'm not gonna keep y'all, let's get right into it. First, I have to say, I'm doing this on freshly washed hair, and you can see my wash day routine at the link above on the screen. Though I do believe you will still get nice defined curls if your hair isn't freshly washed. You're gonna grab your spray bottle and fill it with hot water from the sink. It shouldn't be boiling, just warm, like the temperature you would shower in. You're gonna work that water in, allowing any tangles and shed hair to begin releasing. This is an essential part to retaining length because instead of going in with a comb first and ripping through your knots, the warm water is going to hydrate your hair, and as you work it in, you will begin to see some of those knots dissolve and come out, which is going to save the hair you've grown and allow you to retain length and reach your hair goals much faster. Speaking of reaching your hair goals faster, lovelies, if you have not grabbed the guide yet, what are you waiting for? So many lovelies who have purchased and began using it have experienced longer, healthier, thicker, and stronger hair growth at a faster rate because these are my exclusive recipes I use to unlock 1 inch plus of hair growth per month, and that helped me crack hip length. So head to justforblackgirls.com/shop and grab your growth training guide so you can be set on the path to achieving your natural hair goals. People are seeing results that's making them cry literal tears of joy, achieve waist length hair, and see results in as little as 3 weeks. Some of the recipes in here have helped people grow hair when doctors told them they couldn't, and even help people recover their hair after experiencing certain types of alopecia. Yes, there is a whole section of recipes for people struggling with hormone-related hair loss and growth. I wanted to create something that will help you achieve your hair goals, won't break the bank, and won't harm you. So I did that, and you can grab it at the link in our comments or description box, especially now while it is on sale. You won't regret it. It will help you. And without further ado, let's hop right back into this video. Now, after you feel like your section is well moisturized with water, you're going to use aloe vera to condition and detangle your hair, as well as give your hair even more hydration. Hydration is going to be the key to you getting a super defined braid out and to achieving your hair goals, which I do go over extensively in the hair growth guide. So make sure you get the hair growth guide. But yes, you want to make sure that you are hydrating your hair well, whether you are styling or whether you just want to achieve your hair goals. And as the result of Sierra and I moving to Mexico, we no longer have access to our go-to Suave, but God is good and allows Aloe to grow hair in abundance, okay? I am always outside with my little knife, my little container, and cutting up this fresh aloe vera. You are going to stab it as I demonstrated with your fingers, and that is going to release all of that amazing gel. Since I've been using aloe, I truly think this is the key to getting my braid out super shiny and curly and defined. Now, as you have applied your aloe to your hair, you're going to detangle it until you can pretty much comb your fingers through it with ease. It doesn't have to be perfect because if you have 4C hair, sometimes you're always going to feel a little resistance, but detangle it as good as you can without causing unnecessary shedding and breakage. Remember, for all my OGs, you know I'm always talking about limiting shedding and breakage. That is also going to be key to retaining length. All right, so sometimes you're going to have to add a little bit more water just to keep that hydration up, and also adding water allows the slippiness of the aloe to last a little bit longer. So you're going to see me just adding water, adding aloe, detangling until I get through the section. Usually 1 leaf of aloe I can use for my whole head. But if your aloe is like smaller, 2 leaves could be what you need. So all I'm doing right now is showing you how I apply the aloe to my hair and detangling it. Since moving to Mexico, my natural hair routines have changed a lot. And we have changed a lot. And you can watch our Moving to Mexico series at the link above on the screen with our travel vlogs and daily vlogs in it. Our TikTok community is more up to date, so go follow us on TikTok because we're on there every day. And some of y'all have already left comments on our TikTok telling us you know us from here on YouTube. And we just want to say we love y'all, lovely squad. Y'all always show out for us. And I'm so happy because it feels like more people are leaving comments about how the growth training guide has helped them every day, whether it's here on YouTube or on TikTok. So yes, y'all, it's not a gimmick. The growth training guide really helps a lot of people and has something for everyone to benefit from on their natural hair journey. So that's why we love doing sales for y'all, so as many people can get it as possible, because we see the economy, and that's why we like to make it affordable. So if you haven't gotten it yet, grab it so you can go into 2026 with those inches, okay? Speaking of inches, I didn't get a chance to capture this, but I sealed each section root to end with olive oil, then braided it up and let it dry overnight. And these are the results. And I wish that y'all could just feel how soft my hair is. It feels like it's already blow dry. If I didn't have to braid my hair up, I would leave my hair just like this. Oh my gosh, I haven't seen my hair look this nice from a braid out in a minute. And that's it, lovelies. If you like what you saw and if you like what you heard, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, smash that bell notification, follow us on TikTok and Instagram, and we'll catch you all in the next one. Bye, lovelies.